Hi guys, welcome to a new video back on the channel here. We are back, and this time I have finally got it. I am so excited for this. The Noctua NL LC1 24 240 millimeter all-in-one liquid cooler. Finally, Noctua have done it. They have brought out liquid coolers, and I'm so excited to see how good and efficient this is going to be. It does, from what I believe from checking online, is a 6-year warranty. You can buy these from most retailers now. I've been able to source one in the UK. You can also get a 360mm, 240 and a 420mm. Sorry if I sound like deaf right now. I'm still recovering from some health issues. So I'm currently getting through, but I want to get an unboxing for you guys. But yeah, let's get right into this and see what's in this box, shall we? So in the box we have, this fancy magnetic owl that will go onto the actual pump. You can also, as well, onto the liquid cooler pump, get a fan as well, but that's sold separately. It tells you on the box. But yeah, let's crack into what else is in here. So we'll put that just there. We've got the accessories. Let's see what comes in here. Okay. So we got just the warranty support and stuff like that. We've got a thermal paste guard. Don't really tend to see that much anymore, but with most of them. And cleaning wipe. I do love to see that. The Intel parts. Got the AMD parts as well. Is this the mounting kit for the AMD then, I'm assuming? Does look to be the case. And then we've got the Intel ones there. Let me put them back how they were. Then we've also got some more radiator screws for the fans as well. We've got the extension cable for fan headers. And then, this is a fan splitter as well. What's this as well? Got like this badge as well. That looks pretty cool. Do like that. And the holy grail, Noctua thermal paste. I love this so much. When I have this at work, this makes my job so much easier. That and MX4 I love so much. But we also have, which I'm really happy about, a Noctua Philips. Oh no, it's not a Philips. It's a Torx. Oh wow, I was not expecting that. I was so used to Philips. Like, I've got my Be Quiet one here. It's had a lot of work on it. You can, if you can't tell, I've used this quite a lot. I love my Be Quiet screwdriver. So I'm glad to have a Noctua kind of one. I do want to get like the Linus Tech Tips multi-head screwdriver as well, but it's more of if I can even get it. But Snap-on has also got really good screwdrivers, so I do also want to check them out as well. Yeah, there's a few other kind of brands. iFixit, they also do a really good screwdriver set as well. And then we've also got in here. They look fucking lovely. They look gorgeous. Look at them. 120mm fans of just Noctua greatness. That is great. I can't wait to put this. So this cooler is actually going into my white editing PC. I'll show you guys that shortly. Probably near the end of this, once I've got seen everything. So that's not going to be something I'm going to be fitting on video, just due to I'm just not very well. So it's going to be something I'm just going to have to try and plan out, or might be something I get my fiance to help me with when I'm back up to 100% health. But yeah, so this, I just want to see the pump now. It is a thick radiator, I will say. It's like on the level of Arctic's kind of thickness right there. Then you also have just a very big block. Let's actually get this open. So I'm going to have a quick gander. Ooh. Nope, I've already ripped the packaging. Go me. So good. Aren't I? Oh wow. Yeah, that is. So you can see Aztec / Noctua kind of collab. But speaking of the owl that we saw first, if I'm right. Oh yeah. And then it just comes off like that. Very magnetic. Oh, sorry for blinding everyone then. That's quite big pump. I do like that. And I do like the mounting right there. That's quite handy. Comes with a PWM fan header as well. Wow. That is a brilliant looking cooler. Let's go over to what it's going to go into. I'm going to go into this PC right here that has currently got the i7 14700K that you have seen in a previous video of mine. Yeah, the PC does need a bit of a clean, definitely. But I am finally replacing, this is from my first ever PC, the Noctua DH14 or 15. I'm not sure which one it is, but I'm finally replacing that. But I'm not getting rid of it. I'm actually going to be repurposing this air cooler for my diagnostics PC that you can see on my website at www.legacyxv2.com with the 7500 X3D, as that one's currently got the Deepcool AK620 CPU cooler, but with that cooler I've just noticed it's been getting very hot when my fiance's been using it and stuff at her house. But generally, I'll just want to see how well the liquid cooler performs with my i7. Then this air cooler. This air cooler, at idle, I'm getting about 34 degrees. And when I'm editing, I'm getting around, well, roughly, I think it's about 65. So if I can get better than that right now, I'll be very happy. Yes, I've got a 120mm fan there and a 120mm fan there. So I'm not built with loads of fans in this case, compared to a other system I've got right here, which is the gaming rig. But of the, oh yeah, I've had a haircut by the way and a shave, so thank God for that. But I've just decided, yeah, instead of putting it in my X3D system, I'm going to try what the Noctua cooler can do with my Intel chip, because that system tends to have more of just performance over aesthetic, whereas any other system I do is a lot of aesthetic mainly to it. Yes, originally I wanted to do 2 PCs that run air cooling, 2 PCs that run liquid all-in-ones, but I've just noticed as of recent I'm using more all-in-ones because they're just cheaper right now, and for what they are, they perform well. I've got the Arctic freezer-free 240mm in the orange PC build that we did not too long, like a couple of months back, and then that Noctua cooler is going to go into the diagnostics PC. That Noctua cooler is going to go into the editing rig, and then the Corsair Nautilus 360mm staying in the main rig. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling now because my voice hurts and I'm not going to be able to talk much longer. I'm going to leave this video here. I'm probably not going to show me fitting it. I'm probably going to just do like a recap with how the cooler's been for me in, like, say, in a week's time, just due to I don't really have the energy right now as it is to be able to, you know, make a good video with it without just sounding like I'm just going like, oh, because I haven't got the energy for it really. But I'm going to leave it here, and I'll be giving you guys some updates on the channel community page, and also through a video down the line as well. And I just want to also say thank you to One Stop Computers in Stoke for doing the recent video with me with that PC build with the 9700X, 5070 Ti. It's a great build, and I've seen that everyone has enjoyed it from just channel views on it and stuff like that. and I am planning on doing more with them with PC builds, and also any product reviews I'm going to be doing more with them. But yeah, be on the lookout for that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.